Okay, so let's check our warm-up for day 15. Number 1, the models below represent 4 different decimal numbers. Which list shows these decimal numbers in order from greatest to least? First of all, we need to figure out what the decimals are, correct? Paisley, what's the first decimal? 84 hundredths. Good. Okay, what is the next one, Avery? 90 hundredths or 9 tenths. I believe 9 tenths is what is in the answers. JJ, what's the third one? 69 hundredths. And then the last one, Gavin? 5 tenths. Very good. Okay, so we're looking greatest to least. So what would be our answer, Axel? C, 9 tenths, 84 hundredths, 69 hundredths, and 5 tenths. C or D? It'd be D. Sorry. D, because 9 tenths is greater than 84 hundredths. All right, very good. Okay, so let's go look at number 2. Vicki wrote the following number. 5 times 100th plus 6 times 10 plus 3 times 100 plus 2 times 1/10 plus 7 times 1. Did anybody draw a place value chart? All of you? Good. Okay, so we need to do hundredths, so I'm going to do hundredths, tenths. It's also all messed up. Ones, tens, hundredths. I think that's enough. So hundredths, tenths, ones, tens, hundreds. We're looking at our whole number. 5 times 100th means the 5 goes in the hundredths place. 6 times 10, that's a value of 60. The 6 goes in the tens place. 3 times 100 has a value of 300. That's going to go in the hundreds place. 2 times 1/10, that means 2 tenths, a value of 2 tenths. And then 7 times 1, which means your answer is H. Very good. All right. Let's go look at number 3. Write the following number in standard notation. Standard notation means just the number, right? Okay, so if we're doing standard notation, you write it how you say it, 4 and 7 hundredths. Okay, 7 hundredths. That means there's a 0 in the tenths place. Okay, last one, number 4. How is the following number represented in written notation? Written notation. Using words. 934,000,2060. Which one is it, Emma? D. 934,000,2060. D is correct. All right, good job.